In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle in Adobe Acrobat 2026. PDF Circle Draw. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your PDF, draw a perfect circle, customize its appearance, and save your changes with confidence. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro. Open the PDF you want to edit by going to the File menu at the top and choosing Open, then selecting your document. Give it a moment to load. If your PDF is scanned or image heavy, a brief pause is normal. Next, bring up the commenting tools. Go to the Tools tab, then select Comment. This opens the commenting toolbar, which is where all the markup and shape tools live. Depending on your layout, the toolbar may appear across the top or along the right side. If you don't see it right away, make sure the comment pane is active and expanded. Now choose the shape you need. In the commenting toolbar, click the Drawing Tools icon, which looks like a set of shapes. From the list, pick Oval. Acrobat labels it oval, but it can draw both ellipses and true circles depending on how you drag. To draw a perfect circle, move your cursor to where you want the circle to appear. Click once to start the shape, then hold down the Shift key as you drag your mouse. Holding Shift constrains the proportions, turning an oval into a perfect circle. Release the mouse button first, then release Shift to lock in the shape. If the circle isn't exactly where you wanted it, click it to select and use the handles to reposition or resize. Holding Shift while resizing keeps it perfectly round. Let's customize the circle so it stands out. Right-click the circle and open its properties. Here, you can change the stroke color to match your document style, adjust the line thickness for more or less emphasis, and add a fill color if you want a solid or translucent center. Opacity controls how transparent the fill and border appear, which is helpful if you're highlighting content without covering text. A lower opacity creates a soft overlay. A higher opacity makes the circle bolder. If you routinely use the same style, look for the option to make these properties the default so future circles match automatically. When you're happy with the result, save your work. Go to File and choose Save to embed the annotation in the PDF, then close Acrobat normally. That's it. Your